Good morning, students. Yesterday I told you about local maxima and minima, and today we will start with absolute maxima and minima. So when a function is said to have absolute maximum value, following are the steps. Suppose fx is a function of x in closed interval ab. Here the interval will be given to you, and suppose you have to find the absolute maxima and minima. Then what will you do? Firstly find f dash x, then put that f dash x equal to 0. Suppose x is equal to c, critical value is c. Then you will find the value of fx at these 3 points. 2 points are already there in closed interval. You will take these 2 points plus 1 critical point. So at these 3 points you will find the value of fx. Where its value will be maximum, that will be the point of absolute maxima, and where the value of the fx will be minimum, that is the point of absolute minima. For example, say find the absolute maximum and minimum value and also absolute maxima and minima of the function 2x cube minus 24x plus 57 in closed interval 1, 3. Then firstly you will find f dash x. This is 6x square minus 24, 6x square minus 4, 6x minus 2x plus 2. Now you will put f dash x is equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. Now these are two critical values and the value of interval was 1, 2, 3. So we will take the values, critical values which lie in this interval. Minus 2 and 2, we will not take minus 2 because it doesn't lie between 1 and 3. So we will take 2. So we will calculate the value of fx at these 3 points 1, 2, 3. So at 1 the value of the function is what? 35. And at 2, 25, at 3, 39. Now check which is the minimum value, 25, and this is at x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the absolute minima and absolute minimum value is 25. Similarly, x is equal to 3 is the absolute maxima and absolute maximum value is 39. So here one thing is very important, that you have to note down that you will take only those critical values which lie in this interval. You will not take this x is equal to minus 2. You will reject that. Okay. Another example, find the absolute maxima and minima of the absolute maxima and minima of fx is equal to cos square x plus sin x. Interval is 0 to pi. So what is the first step? You will take f dash x. It is coming out minus 2 cos x sin x plus cos x. Cos x you will take common, so 1 minus 2 sin x. Next step is put f dash x is equal to 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. If this is 0, then x is 90. If this is 0, 1 minus 2 sin x is 0, sin x is half. And you know where it is half, at 30 degree and 150. So both lie in your interval 0 to 180. So there are 3 critical values which lie in this interval, and these are 90, 30, 150. And 2 already you have. So you have to take all these 5 values and you will check fx at these 5 values. When you will calculate fx at these 5 points, you will get 1, 5 by 4, 1, 5 by 4, 1. Means absolute maximum value is 5 by 4 and absolute minimum value is 1. So this was all about absolute maxima and minima. Clear? Thank you.